Normally WebP file is better for web optimization. In any image format we always choose the WebP version for our website. Our most popular image editing software is Photoshop, but in Photoshop by the default we have not any option for saving image in WebP version. Suppose if I open an image, if you go to file and save as, then there is no option for saving as WebP version. So we have to install a plugin for save as WebP version in image, or either we have to go to online tools for convert the image. But normally we are developer, we are used to use Photoshop for our image editing. So today's video I will be show how we can save a file in WebP format. I give you link in description. You go to this link and download the plugin for WebP. I already download that, and then just extract the file. When you extract, you will get a folder like this. Before you install the plugin, you have to close all the Photoshop software. If your Photoshop is 64-bit, go to 64-bit. If your Photoshop is 32-bit, go to 32-bit. My Photoshop is 64-bit, that's why I go to 64-bit. Then I copy this plugin and I go to the folder where my Photoshop is installed. So I go to C, then Program Files, then Adobe, then I go to Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. Then I have to find the plugins folder. Go to the plugin folder, and if you have already lots of folder in here, don't worry, just you paste your file what you have copy, then continue. I tell you again, before you install the plugin, you have to close all the Photoshop file or all the Photoshop program what is running. After you paste, then I close, then I again open the Photoshop. It's a simple installation. Then I again open my PNG image. If I go now to file, save as, and save as type, then you see you have a WebP format. Now if I save my file like that, you see you can change the quality, lossless quality. If you want to compress more, you have to go loose quality and give, but I just go to simply lossless. Then okay, the file is saved. If I open now the folder, you see now the Bangla Medium logo rs.webp file. If you have not installed the plugin, you cannot also open the WebP file. So that's it for today. Have a good night.